Good morning, India. Welcome to Nifty pre-open analysis on the 2nd February 2023, and we are open for the markets to go more lower. Yesterday the markets went more lower because of the budget session. It was very volatile. It was up all the way and it was down all the way, almost about from the highest which is at 17,972 levels. The lowest has been 17,353 levels. That's about 600 points up to down. That's the highest to lowest which Nifty has scaled in yesterday's market, and it seems like there will be more downside to come in today's session as well. Because of this, supports are very important for you today to see where the Nifty will actually stand its great supports, and it will move up from there onwards. So those are the supports and resistances which you have to take care of in today's session. That's because S&P 500 was not greatly up yesterday. It was just 1% up, and Nasdaq was up by 2%, and Dow Jones was up by 0.02%. So yeah, S&P 500 1% up is not great, right? Anyways, yeah, as of now, I had told you yesterday there is decoupling effect which has happened from US to the Asian markets, and that's one of the reasons that the US markets is going up and up and Asian markets is going down and down. So that's because of the decoupling effect, and SGX Nifty is showing 96 points down move in today's session. That means that Nifty will open gap down in today's session. So where are the Nifty supports and resistances? Nifty supports are at 17,538, 17,512, 17,500 and 17,357 levels. We have touched all these levels in yesterday's session. However, these are the levels of supports. Nifty resistances are at 17,880, 17,920, 18,000 and 18,014 levels are the levels of resistances. And this is the market for today. This is how the Nifty will pan out in today's session. Nifty futures example for you in today's session, how it will pan out. Look at the market till about 11 o'clock. It was sideways, all the way side, and it was not moving at all till 12 o'clock. And at 12 o'clock there started a great move on the downside, and then it took support on the Bollinger Band on the lower side and bounced all the way upwards. It went up, and after that, when the Bollinger Band hit the highest, again it started decreasing continuously, and at the end it saw some great move on the positive side. Those are about great positive candles, which is great engulfing candles of all the previous candles, and after that it declined, but about probably from 3 o'clock onwards it started declining again and it moved on the sideways. Okay, so that's the Nifty futures of February, and it seems like today also will be a bit of dampening session. There will be a bit of negativity all over the place in today's Nifty as well. That's mostly because of the budget, and second because of the Hindenburg research, which they have put up a research about the Adani stocks, which shows that there is 85% down move in the stocks, Adani stocks. So that's the Nifty pre-open analysis for 2nd February 2023. I have given you the great supports and resistances, Nifty support and resistances. Nifty supports for today are greatly around the same levels: 538, 512, 500, 357. Those are very nearby, right? So there is a very small gap where the Nifty can actually go down from here onwards. However, it has a great upside potential from here onwards. That being said, if you have any questions with respect to technical analysis, please do comment below, and I have started my Nifty futures and options seminar, and the link will be in the description below, and you can get enrolled in that. and that's 5 days of Nifty futures theory and 5 days of practicals you will be trading live. And that's the Nifty pre-open analysis. I will show you a technique which makes you 78.6% great up move and accuracy, and I will show you in this video. So I will see you in this video.